Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome to my channel, or better yet, your channel. Today, I'm going to talk to you about the cylinder location and firing order on a 3.5-liter six-cylinder Honda Accord from the years 2008 to 2012. Here we have an example of an engine from that vehicle. To figure out the location and firing order of these cylinders, the first thing we need to do is stand in front of the vehicle. We open the hood and look toward the front of the engine. The location and order are as follows. Bank number 1 has cylinders 1, 2, and 3, which are closer to the windshield. And in bank number 2, you have cylinders 4, 5, and 6, which are closer to the radiator. The firing order is as follows. First, cylinder number 1 fires, which is on the left side, meaning the passenger side, as I mentioned earlier, assuming you're standing in front of the engine. Next, cylinder number 4 fires. This one is also on the left, but next to the radiator. Then, cylinder number 2 fires, followed by cylinder number 5. Next, cylinder number 3 fires, which is near the windshield on the driver's side. And finally, cylinder number 6 fires, which is closest to the radiator on the driver's side. Alright friends, I have nothing more to say. See you in the next video tutorial. See you soon.